Hey everyone, so I am sorry that I cannot be here today. I'm going to make this instructions video just to try to make things a little bit more smooth for you. I don't know when I'll be back. We got to see if my daughter, we're going to go test her for COVID, so who knows. Alright, so today is Thursday, August 26th, goodness gracious, and this is what I need y'all to do for me today, okay? A lot of this stuff, you're going to know how to do it, where to go for, all that kind of stuff, okay? Just because we've been doing these pathways now for a whole week, we're kind of getting the groove of everything. Alright, first of all, there is no warm-up. Alright, so just go straight in, grab your pathways folder, and get in your seat. Make sure you have a calculator, a pathway folder, and then be ready to work, okay? So the first thing I want you to know is that we're going to be working through those pathways today, trying to finish up. Everybody's got their lessons are finished. If I did not get my math workshop with you guys, I will figure that out, okay? I don't really know how I'm going to do that, but we'll figure it out. So make sure you're first of all, because you're gonna go through that list and just check off things as you do them. If you hear some crying over here, my son I'm in his room and I'm making this video. So, first of all, make sure that the multiplication charts that you have are filled out. All right. Let's make sure that your journal is updated. So go ahead and update those table of contents numbers on what page number you got some notes on. Make sure your notes are in your journal and they're not just out and not glued yet, okay? So go ahead and glue those in if you haven't already. You'll notice that whole group activity that I wrote down on your pathways. Of course, that was if I was going to be there. So we will see about that. I'll let you know more about that tomorrow. And then go ahead and let's start on those pathway activities. So first of all, the clue game outside. The clue game or the whatever activity, you have that clue log paper. It's all in my trays. Remember, my trays are numbered and they have on the numbers all the stuff and the names that go inside of them, okay? So that's where you'll find it. And also for instructions, please read that paper because it's going to help you with instructions. When you go find the clue, the answer to combining those like terms, that's all it is. It's combining like terms. So if it said 2x and 3x, the answer is 5x. Like if it said 2x plus 3x, it's 5x. If it said 10x minus 8x, then it's 2x, right? We're just combining like terms on that one. That's it. You find the answer, and if it says something like Miss Garza was chilling at home, then you would mark off Miss Garza and you would mark off at home on your on your paper, okay? The stuff that is not marked off at the very end will be the missing person, okay? That's for clue. If you have any trouble, there are people in this class right now who have done it, who I gave instructions to. Ask them what I was telling them, okay? The next thing is the one-step equations worksheet. Remember, all this is listed on your pathways. All this is found in the trays. The next thing is the iExcel. So what you do is you go into iExcel on your Chromebooks. I know you should know how to go to iExcel, but if you don't, it's iExcel.com. The username, this is my son. Say hi. The username for you is your lunch number, whatever that is, 6 digits. Don't touch. Lunch number, and then the at symbol, like you're about to at somebody, at CJH. So lunch number at CJH. That's your username. Password is just your lunch number. Okay, what else? Let's see. No. Don't tell them no. Okay, sorry. All right, that was iExcel. You have another, let's see. Sorry. You have 2 other things that you can do for activities. The 2-step equation maze, follow directions, it's in the tray. And there's another thing called Punchline Math. It's just like a worksheet that has a funny little saying at the end. And it's over 2-step equations also, okay? So those are your activities that you're going to complete today. The more activities you complete, the more extra points you get. The more extra points you get, it goes for points towards a classroom store. So I did not get to tell you guys about that. Maybe I did. I don't know. But you'll get there's going to be a classroom store, and people with the most like extra points get to use it for buying little things in the classroom store. Okay, so the more you do, the more points you earn. Let me check to make sure I talked about everything. Okay, last 3 to 5 minutes of class, make sure that my class is clean. Clean for the next class. Everything is off the floor, no pencils, no nothings, no papers. Put every single thing you do in class in that Pathways folder and put it in your bucket. Make sure your bucket is nice and neat. Second period, you have a big class. There's a lot of folders in that bucket. Somebody, please make sure that you do me a favor and make sure that's organized, not crazy. And don't put your Pathway folders in the wrong bucket because you'll lose it. All right. Like I said, keep my classroom organized. That's it. Bye. Talk to you tomorrow.